What is up, gang? We're back with another video. Not camping right now. We're just preparing to go camping. So over the next few weeks, me and my buddy Kilo, which he ain't here right now, he's upstairs taking a nap. But we're going to be going camping over the next couple weeks. And I need a way to be able to power my Apple 12 volt cooler. So the way that I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna take this Craftsman toolbox and I'm gonna convert it into a power station. I'm gonna get this fuse block installed first. I'm gonna mount this right up against here.
All the items that I'm using in this video can be found in my Amazon storefront. Just head over to that link in my bio.
All right, so next I'm gonna be putting in my own off switch, and I'm gonna place it right down here at the bottom. It's gonna go just like that. So let's get that hole drilled. Nice. It's a great fit. Let's get it screwed up. Okay, next we're gonna be installing the shunt right here, but first I'm going to hook up the connection first, coming right off of my fuse block. I only got one hole drilled right now because I actually wanted to put this on there. I actually want to bolt that side down. I didn't want to make the same mistake I made with this on off switch. All right, so next I'm going to put in the battery monitor, and I'm going to put that right here. I didn't press record when I was cutting that hole out, so yeah, don't have that. All right, so we're just going to slide that right in there. Hole cut perfectly. All right, so this is the mounting hardware for the back. That's gonna stop that from going out there. And this is gonna slide right in there. And I'm gonna clean that up a little bit a little later. This is we got both all 12 volt plugs. And I'm gonna mount both of these right here. So we're gonna put the first hole in. Whoa. Boom. Plate it. Get these holes cleaned up. I'll take these. Slip it right in there. Okay, there we go. Don't y'all laugh at how crooked these off is. Tried my best with these hoes. And they still off a little bit. It's all good though. It'll work right there. There we go. This one. It's cool, got these little dust connectors on. And that's two. These connectors are too big to go in these terminals, so I'm going to be replacing them with these, which fits just right. All right, so let's get that done. All right, we got all those cut, crimped, and heat shrinked. All right, so we'll start off with this bottom one. All right, get it going.
If you've learned anything or found this video helpful so far, please drop a like and tag a friend below.
Go ahead and run both of my negatives when I'm over there. That one across threaded. There we go. All right, so I got both of them put on the bottom. Remove these fuses. Ain't got nothing on this fuse, but eventually I might have. I might put me a USB and a USB A and a USB Type C connector on here as well. I might put it on this side. So far, we got two 12-volt plugs in. We got our battery monitor in. We got our on and off switch in. Now I'm about to put this SAE plug in. That's gonna allow to charge my battery via solar panel. All right, I pretty much butchered this hole, but I got it to the side that I just need to cut this little piece off right here. Clean it up a little bit. All right, let's see how this fits. Sweet. Oh yeah. All right, man, I like that. All right, got all our connections in. Now it's time to put the battery in. So just gonna get this, get that set down in there real nice like. And I got this little block that fits right in here perfectly. I'm also gonna put a scrap on this battery. Yeah. Yikes. All right, guys, I kind of got carried away. For some reason, my phone stopped recording and I didn't look at it. But we got the positive terminals on. Now we're just locking up the negative. All right. And we have power. So this is how I would charge it. Tomorrow I'm going to do that. Bring the solar panels down and we're going to hook it up to them and see what we get. But yeah, we have power. Got lights. Nice. All right, gang, we're back. And so today we got a little bit of sun. So it's a 200 watt Renogy solar panel. All right, so I'm gonna plug this up. All right, we're gonna go back to the back of here. All right, check out the charging controller. We got 13.2 volts. All right, so I'm going to actually connect the solar panel. Let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. And we're charging. Let's see how many. We're bringing in 2.4 amps. It's pretty cloudy. I don't know how good you can see that. It's pretty cloudy up there.
All right, gang, if this video was helpful and you learned something, be sure to give it a like, share, and a comment. Wild Boy out.